Welcome back to Dave's Corner. Okay, wait a minute. Let me get this off. That's better. So, you might wonder why I'm sitting here looking the way I looked when I started the video. About 40 years ago, and I know it was 40 years ago because 1986 was the year that my son Jason was born. And I was playing a game that was starting out in its infancy, playing paintball. And now that I'm retired, I've been looking for things to do. So, as part of this channel, I'm going to start a video series that's aimed at the older player. And it's going to be called Low and Slow. Because anybody who knows me knows that I've been vertically challenged all my life and I've been a smurf for a very long time. I'm used to it. Don't worry. I laugh at myself about it. But dynamite comes in small packages. At any rate, I have decided in my retirement that I am going to start playing paintball again. Now, you see the videos out there of these guys playing speedball in a little tiny field, running around, jumping around, diving, doing that type of thing. That is not the type of paintball I'm going to play. I'm going to play what's called rec ball. On a big field with lots of people, lots of targets to shoot at, lots of people shooting at you, and we'll see where it goes. But that series is going to be called Low and Slow. The vertically challenged thing, remember we're coming back to that, and slow because I'm an old man now, and I got the scars to prove it. At any rate, you'll be seeing video that I'm going to take from my perspective from a GoPro mounted to the top of my mask helmet thingy that I was just wearing. It should be fun. Some tips, some tricks, advice. Older players, you know what? You have no excuse. Get back in the game. I'm 67 years old, and I'm going to start playing again. As a matter of fact, I played day before yesterday. A group of young players from right here in Colorado said that they were looking for people to play. I contacted one of the guys, and he was like, hell yeah, come on out. We love it. Old guys are always welcome. Low and Slow, coming soon to my YouTube channel. And I know I owe you another video. I'm working on that. This is going to take quite a bit of time to put together. So, at any rate, that's all I got for you today. Love you, America. Always have, always will.